Hello guys, it's Mead here, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to post a job ad on LinkedIn. So here we are on LinkedIn on my desktop, and we want to head to the work button in the top right hand corner and hit that. From there we're going to swing to the right and find the button that says post a job. So when we're posting this job, we're going to hit this button, and that's going to open us up LinkedIn's talent solution, which is essentially what they use to post talent on LinkedIn. We're going to sign in, and we're going to be able to start posting our job. So here we are. In this case, we can select the job title. Let's just call it digital marketer. You select your company. In this case, I select my company. The workplace type, whether it's on-site, hybrid, or remote. Let's select hybrid. The location, being the city or the area that you work in, and the employment type. We can then hit get started for free, because LinkedIn offer a free solution. So here we go. We want to start adding our job description now. So we can go through here and use this editor to adjust the content as we see fit. There's options to bullet point. There's options to make headings bold. You can underline, so you can really build quite a complex ad using this solution. You then want to add the skills. This is really important because it's going to show your ad to the right people. So in this case, say I'm looking for someone that's got website skills. I might put in web development, web design. This way, the people that have these skills are going to get shown the ad. We can hit preview if we want to have a look at how the ad's looking. You can see at the moment it's pulling in my image from the LinkedIn page, the title, and the text that I have. You can see the employment types there as well. So it's all looking good. I'm going to hit continue. And this is where we put in the email address that we want people to see and send applications to. So this is where LinkedIn will forward the applications to. And we can add some screening questions. These are really good if you want to prevent people applying for the job that aren't necessarily qualified for it. So if you need someone to have specific requirements, this might be a good way to put it in. And you can see they even give you some preset options, whether it's visa statuses or customer questions. Next, all you want to do is hit post job for free, and you might have to add in your credit card and start your free trial, but it's that simple. That's how easy it is to post a job on LinkedIn. If you guys want to keep the job up for longer, you do have to pay, but that's not a bad option either because it is quite cheap and gets great results. I've personally had hundreds of LinkedIn jobs go really well. Thanks so much, guys. Keep well. I'll speak to you next time. Ciao, ciao.